askKira is designed to support everyday work. It's not about learning new tools. It's about getting work done more clearly. You can start by asking askKira simple, everyday questions. There's no special format. Just describe what you need, clearly and directly. askKira already understands your organizational context. One unique feature of askKira is the ability to switch between different AI models. Fast uses Google Gemini, useful for quick responses. Knowledgeable uses ChatGPT, helpful for structured explanations. Thinking uses Claude, better for deeper reasoning. And web search uses Perplexity, when up-to-date information matters. You can switch between them at any time, depending on the task. You can also upload documents securely. This is particularly useful for reviewing reports, analyzing data, or summarizing longer documents. Your documents stay within your organization's secure environment. When writing prompts, keep 3 things in mind. First, be clear about the task. Second, include any important context. And third, say what a good output looks like. That's usually enough. You don't need tricks, just clarity. This film is part of the askKira Organisational AI Accreditation program. From here, askKira can support your work day to day. This is how askKira supports everyday work. askKira.